resident of Chuck number 6 JB West Agoda Road, Faisalabad, having CNIC 33100158767, duly sworn and deposed that a case FIR number 1233/24 376 PPC registered at police station Chuck Jumra against me for alleged sexual assault to a Christian girl named Sada Shehzadi, and upon this allegation, His Excellency Bishop Indrias Rahman suspended me. The said case has no nexus with Bishop Indrias Rahman. He only performed his moral and canonical duty for being head of Catholic Diocese of Islamabad. That after being suspended from priesthood by Bishop Indrias Rahman, I recorded a video clip against Bishop Indrias Rahman for homosexuality and corruption charges and uploaded it on various social media platforms. The contents of said video clip are totally false, fabricated and baseless.